whose circumference is 8 pi. Circumference is 8 pi. What is circumference of the circle? 2 pi r. Circumference of the circle is 2 pi r, which is equal to 8 pi. 8 pi over 2 pi. How much is the radius? 4. And area of circle. What is area of circle? Pi r square. Pi r square. Answer is what? Since the circumference was in pi, I can leave it in pi. 16 pi centimeter square. या क्योंकि कोई सेंटीमीटर नहीं लिखा, यूनिट नहीं लिखा, तो I can write it square units. I should not write any centimeter or meter thing. I don't have any square units area. Number 2, find the perimeter of square which circumscribes. Everyone, please look here. It circumscribes a circle of radius 8. Radius कितना है? 8 centimeter. Find the perimeter of square which circumscribes a circle of radius 8. If this is A, how much is the side? 2a. So what do you need? Perimeter. क्योंकि radius is A, so side is what? 2a. Perimeter of square is 4 into side. What is side? 2a. So 4 into 2a is 8a. Perimeter means 8a units. Correct? Am I clear to everyone? Perimeter is what? 4 into side, 4 into 2a is 8a units. Third, the diameter of the wheel is 84 centimeter. Diameter of the wheel is 84 centimeter. How many revolutions will it make to cover 792 meters? Distance is what? 792 meters. अब ये revolutions में wheel वाले question में क्या statement लगती है बोलो? Distance covered is equal to wheel is moving, so what is circumference into number. Whenever a wheel is moving, the formula distance covered is equal to circumference into number of revolutions. They are asking you number of revolutions. Distance covered is what? 792 meters. Circumference is 2 pi r, and they are asking you number of revolutions. Radius is in, diameter is 84 centimeter. So radius is what? 42 centimeter. 42 upon 100 meters. So 792 is 2 into 22 by 7 into 42 by 100 into n. Because you have to change this centimeter into meter, or if you want to keep it as in meter, change meter into centimeter. This is one choice. दोनों अलग अलग नहीं हो सकते कि डिस्टेंस कवर्ड मीटर में और रेडियस सेंटीमीटर. 792 into 100, 2 into 20, 2 into 6 is equal to n. 2 3s are 2 9s are 2 6. 6 6s are 6 6 are 22 3s are. What are the number of revolutions? 300. Right? Fourth, a wire bent in the form of a equilateral triangle. What is the area of equilateral triangle, children? Area of equilateral triangle. Root 3 by 4 sides. So there is a wire bent in the form of equilateral triangle. Wire bent in the form of equilateral triangle of area 121 root 3. If same area is bent in the form of circle, what will be the area of circle? If same area is same wire. पहले वायर किस फॉर्म में है? इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल है. फिर वायर किसकी फॉर्म में है? जब शौर्य कुछ बेंट होता है तो क्या सेम होता है? बेंट होता है. पेरीमीटर दिया तो उन्होंने एरिया, उन्होंने दिया हुआ एरिया ऑफ इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल. इसका एरिया दिया हुआ है तो एरिया ऑफ इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल का फॉर्मूला लगाओ, उससे साइड निकालो. रूट 3 by 4 साइड स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 121 रूट 3 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. Side square is 121 root 3 into 4 over root 3. Side is equal to square root 121 into 4. Don't multiply them. Separate square roots लीजिए. 11 into 2. What is the side? 20. Now they are asking it is bent. One wire which was in the form of equilateral triangle So perimeter of equilateral triangle is equal to circumference of circle. सर्कल के पेरीमीटर का क्या नाम होता है? सर्कल. वही तार जो पहले इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल की शेप में थी वो किस फॉर्म में हो गई? सर्कल. स्क्वायर की फॉर्म में हो जाए तो पेरीमीटर ऑफ इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल इज पेरीमीटर ऑफ स्क्वायर. व्हाटएवर शेप इज चेंज देयर पेरीमीटर्स आर सेम. Naman, what is the perimeter of equilateral triangle? What is the perimeter of equilateral triangle? बोलो बच्चों. 3 into sides. And what is the circumference of circle? 2 pi. Correct? दोनों सेम होंगे क्योंकि इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल बेंट होकर सर्कल बना, तो दोनों का क्या सेम होगा? पेरीमीटर. इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल का पेरीमीटर है 3 into side. What is the side? 22. 2 pi r. 3 into 22 into 7. 2 into 22 is equal to r. What is r? 21 by 2. What is r? What will be the area of circle? बोलिए, what is area of circle? Pi r square. Pi r square. 2 11 70. 63 into 11. 693 over. Right? Am I clear? Okay. Fifth. The wheels of the car last of today 2500 revolutions. Revolution वाले क्वेश्चन में क्या होता है? Distance covered. बोलिए सब एक्सप्रेशन बोलिए. बोला क्या लिखना है? Distance covered is equal to circumference into number of revolutions. Distance is given 4.95 kilometers. Distance covered is equal to circumference into number of revolutions. Distance covered कितना है? 4.95. Circumference is 2 pi r. Circumference is 2 pi r into number of revolutions. What is number of revolutions? 2500. This is in kilometers, so change it into meters. 1 kilometer has how many meters? 1000. 2 pi r into 2500. 100. 2 zeros cancels. 495 into 10 into 7. 2 into 22 into 2500 is equal to r. What were they asking you? Diameter of the wheel. ये तो आएगा आपका radius of the wheel. तो diameter क्या हो जाएगा? Double. This cancels with this. 550s are 599s are 11 2s are 11 9s are 63 over 52s are 100 100 2s are 200. This is the radius. तो radius कितना आया? 63 over 200 meters. तो diameter कितना हो जाएगा? Twice of 63 over 200. 2 over 100 is what? 0.63 meters. Diameter कितना हो गया? 0.63 meters. That's all for today.